UEL is proud to support your holistic journey towards health gain as a precursor to learning gain. And so we are delighted to be celebrating our second year of Health Gain and Wellness Month this March. We believe that the wellness of our staff and our students contributes to a thriving university community where diversity is celebrated and everyone feels valued and supported. As one of the first universities in the UK to have achieved the University Mental Health Charter Award, we're committed to a comprehensive whole institution approach to mental health and well-being. So this month, led by Student Services and collaboratively brought to life with teams across the university, Health Gain Month features over 50 events, each designed to enrich your holistic well-being, emotionally, physically, and financially. Don't miss University Mental Health Charter Day on the 14th of March, featuring Olympian and mental health advocate Derek Redman as our keynote speaker. With activities spanning across all 10 UEL wellness spheres and connections to our Year of Science, there's truly something for everyone. So we encourage every member of our community to join us for at least one event, engage and find your moment of wellness. Thank you for your support in everything that we do, and we hope to see you on campus for our various events during Health Gain Month and beyond. Team UEL is smashing it. Wellbeing, student success, research, sport, enterprise and employability. The world is increasingly noticing what we are all about. Your path to health gain and wellness starts here at UEL.